Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I am so excited to be taking you on a walking tour of the stunning Porto Santo Golden Beach. As a traveler and beach lover, I can tell you that this is one of the most beautiful places that I have ever visited. So let's get started. Before we begin, I have a quick request. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and leave a comment below. It helps me know that I'm creating content that you love. And if you want to see more of my adventures, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are walking along a seemingly endless stretch of soft, golden sand. The Porto Santo Golden Beach is located on the island of Porto Santo, which is part of Portugal's Madeira archipelago. It's the perfect place to relax, unwind, and soak up the sun. The water is clear and turquoise, and the sand is fine and powdery, making it the perfect beach to swim or sunbathe. The beach is very family friendly, and there are plenty of activities to keep everyone entertained. You can rent a beach chair and an umbrella, or you can take a stroll along the shoreline. Before we go, don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!